The Inside Passage is a route through the network of islands off the shore of the Pacific coast, which allows boats to avoid the harsher weather of the open ocean. It also serves as a sanctuary for large saltwater fish and a prime destination for thrill-seeking anglers. This week in Alaska's fishing paradise, we'll join 3 captains in pursuit of halibut, blackcod, and the elusive king salmon. Deep in remote southeast Alaska, there lies a fishing paradise like no other.
Big fish.
Alaska's fishing paradise.
You want to tell us about your fish? I'm kidding.
Yeah, that's the way I look after I've seen a really attractive woman. That way.
I don't know what to say.
Don't say anything.
I can't say anything. It just, this show's going in a whole different direction. I don't know how to turn it around.